The Mauryan Empire. Chandragupta Maurya founded the Maurya Empire. Who founded the Mauryan Empire? Chandragupta Maurya. People were tired of the tyrannical rule of Nanda king of Magda. Tyrannical means cruel and oppressive. Who was cruel that time? The Nanda king. Of which place? Magda. Dhanananda, Chandragupta Maurya brought it to an end and established his own rule in Magda around 325 BCE. Who brought an end to the Nanda's empire? Chandragupta Maurya. He invaded and won Avanti and Saurashtra and began to extend the boundaries of his empire. After Alexander's death, a struggle for power began among the satraps. He had appointed Seleucus Nictor was appointed as Alexander's general. Who was Seleucus? And Alexander's general. He was among one of the satraps. When Chandragupta Maurya won the battle of Avanti and Saurashtra, he extended the boundaries of his empire. And after Alexander's death, he became the king of Babylon. After Alexander's death, he invaded the northwest frontier. Frontier, a line or a border separating two countries. Region of India and the Punjab. Here the boundaries of India and Punjab. Chandragupta Maurya successfully resisted. Resisted means to protest. Resistance means protest. Chandragupta Maurya successfully resisted his aggression. What do you mean by aggression? Anger. The defeat of Seleucus Nictor led to the incursion. Incursion means the action of the northwest region of Kabul, Kandahar and Herat in the Maurya Empire. Do you know, children? Vishakadatta, the Sanskrit playwright, wrote a play called Mudraksha. It relates how Chandragupta Maurya defeated Dhanananda and established an independent power. The plot gives us special importance to the contribution of Arya Chanakya, who was also known as Kautilya. The theme is Seleucus Nictor's ambassadors stay back at Chandragupta Maurya's court. His book Indica is an important source for the study of India during the Maurya period. There is an inscription stating that Emperor Chandragupta Maurya had built a dam called Sudarshan near Junagadh in Gujarat state. Now children, who founded the Maurya Empire? Chandragupta Maurya. With whom he defeated the Nanda king and brought Nanda's end. Why? Because they were very unjust, cruel ruler. After the death of Alexander's death, who came to a power? Alexander's general name Seleucus Nictor. He became the king of Babylon after Alexander's death, and he invaded the northwest frontier region of India and Punjab. Chandragupta Maurya successfully resisted his aggression, means he controlled his anger. After that, who had written a playwright called Mudraksha? Vishakadatta. Chandragupta Maurya defeated Dhanananda and established an independent power. Who was given a special importance to the contribution? Arya Chanakya. Arya Chanakya was also known as Kautilya. Megasthenes Seleucus was an ambassador stayed back at Chandragupta's Maurya court. His book named Indica was an important source for the study of India during the Maurya period. What was built by Chandragupta Maurya? A dam called Sudarshan. Near which place? Near Junagadh in Gujarat state.